The state chairman of the party in Enugu State, Chief Dr. Owoye, the Assistant Commissioner of Police, Agba Command, the Assistant Commissioner of Police, ACP, Commander of 3, the representative of the Honorable Commissioner of Education, the Royal Fathers in attendance, the Igwe of the local government of Imo State, who is also the Grand Imam of Imo State, His Royal Highness Eze Abubakar Isi Imetuwa Report, the President General in attendance, and the representative of Ambassador Mrs. Amaka Weke, the Commissioner 3 in the Enugu State Local Government Service Commission, all the cabinet members of the Yoruba community in Enugu State, all the members of the Yoruba community in Enugu State, the media personnel in attendance, please kindly permit me to stand on this. Welcome address by His Royal Highness Oba Engineer Isaka A. Salman, MNSC, PhD, Ilufemi 1, the Oba and the leader of Yoruba community in the Enugu State, during the 2025 Yoruba Cultural Day and scholarship/meritorious awards distribution to the deserving undergraduates and Nigerians held on December 5, 2025 at Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital Multipurpose Hall, Enugu State. Distinguished guests, respected leaders, beautiful sons and daughters of our nation, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome. It is my honor and privilege to stand before you today at this remarkable gathering of culture, unity, diversity, and shared identity. Our team, cultural integration and exchange, a veritable tool for national unity and cohesion, which speaks to the very heartbeat of our existence as one people under one nation. In a land blessed with over 250 ethnic groups, from the rich heritage of the kingdoms of Yoruba to the historic Igbo land, the proud traditions of the Hausa, Fulani region, the beautiful coastal culture of Niger Delta and beyond, a masterpiece carefully designed by God's own hands. Culture is more than dance, attire, or language. It is memory, value, behavior, worldview, and belonging. When we integrate, we build bridges. When we exchange, we raise doubts. And when we celebrate one another, we confirm that unity is not sameness, but harmony. Today is not just a display, it is a declaration that our diversity is our strength, that our differences are our colors, and that our unity is our crown. The great patriot, late Nnamdi Azikiwe, once reminded us that nation building demands understanding, tolerance, and collective alignment. Likewise, our vibrant storytelling late Chinua Achebe, taught us through his words that when a community loses its cultural pride, it loses itself. But when cultures meet in mutual respect, a nation finds its soul and direction. Chief Obafemi Awolowo once said that unity is not a slogan, it is the bond that protects the rights and dignity of any Nigerian. Our youth represent the promise of tomorrow. They remind us daily that leadership is by service, unity by love, and progress by inclusion. If we pass the torch of integration right now, Nigeria's future will shine like gold. I therefore encourage you all to watch, learn, and exchange, to also participate and celebrate, because culture is unity strengthened and identity respected, is peace secured. It is also important to also congratulate the beneficiaries of our scholarship. Kindly make use of this rare opportunity with all seriousness it deserves. Remember, the first batch beneficiaries of our scholarship did well, and that is why we, as well as our partners, are encouraged to process this second batch. Special thanks to all our partners, as the scholarship slot increased from 5 persons in the first batch to 20 persons in this second batch. The distinguished Nigerians that shall be awarded today are worthy ambassadors of our great nation, who have contributed positively in their various callings. Kindly be encouraged to do more for our great country and humanity at large. My community is pretty sure that our collaboration can add value to the overall development of our beloved state, Enugu State, and the country at large. To the father of the state, His Excellency Dr. Peter Obi, the community is innovative staff you have shown in governance. Indeed, tomorrow is here. Kindly be reminded to continue to run an open door government with greater inclusiveness in all fronts. I also use this video to commend the bold and futuristic transformation of the federal government of Nigeria under the leadership of His Excellency, the Asiwaju of Lagos, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Akpabio Tinubu. I pray for continued guidance in steering the ship of this great nation to the next level. On behalf of the community and the planning